So you might have noticed that last video got cut off pretty suddenly again, much like the first video in P6. And wouldn't you know, that was because another alarm went off on my phone to give the dog another dose of medicine. Um, Needless to say, my dog is currently taking a lot of medicine, and it's having an impact on my video making skills. In any event, I guess it helps keeps the videos short and sweet. I want to do one more simplification example. So this is P6, right? We're simplifying these rational expressions. So this is essentially the a polynomial version of reducing a fraction to lowest terms. So let's do 2x plus 4 over x squared minus x minus 6. We'll start just like we did in all these before, right? Let's find the restrictions. Right, find the excluded values. So this for us means x squared minus x minus 6 cannot be equal to 0, and from there we're going to look to factor that. Right, this is sort of an a equals 1, b equals negative 1, and c is negative 6 situation. A is 1 means we just need the pair, so we need to multiply to negative 6. So 8 times c is negative 6. We got to multiply there, and we need to add, right? We need to sum to negative 1, which is our b value. So how are we going to do this? 6 and 1 is kind of obviously not going to do it right. Negative 1 and 6, no. Positive 1 and negative 6, no, right? That would be kind of 5 and minus 5, so that's no good. 2s and 3s, looks like they're going to be our best bet. What would negative 2, positive 3? That's going to get us what? Positive 1, not quite, so it must be 2 times negative 3, right? Because if I add those together, that gets me the negative 1. So that's going to be my pair, which means that's what this is going to factor down into. So x squared minus x minus 6 not equal to 0 means, right, so what was this, plus 2 and x minus 3 is not equal to 0. So my restrictions come from there. This is going to be, right, x plus 2 is not 0 means that x is not equal to minus 2. X minus 3 not equal to 0 means x is not equal to positive 3. So those are my two restrictions. I've got this factored, so let's actually carry this fraction down. The numerator here has a little bit more going on than the last one. It's honestly still not a ton. So we said the bottom here, right, would be x plus 2, and then x minus 3. So first things first, right, neither of those match 2x plus 4 exactly, right? However, the thing here to notice, right, is 2 times x plus 4, you could take a 2 out. You could do a GCF style, and if you take 2 out, what you're going to have would be 2 times the quantity x plus 2. So you can actually match and hit x plus 2 both on the top and the bottom. You just have to sort of look a little deeper and do a GCF style factoring on top here. So watch out for that. That's kind of a key move here that helps us simplify this and clean it up. So this is going to leave us with a 2 up top, and then the x minus 3 is left over here. And so that's where, what were our restrictions? Here and here, x is not equal to negative 2 or positive 3. Right, so we simplify down and we include those restrictions in our final answer. So that's the move. That's what simplifying looks like. You know, you could obviously sort of do these for more and more complicated things. We're going to move ahead in the next video to some multiplication and division. Most of what we're doing here, we're actually going to continue doing. So I'm not going to do, another simplification example, because in some sense, this process is going to keep happening kind of over and over. So I'll pause this one here, and then we'll see you for multiplication and division in the next video.